Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week, he dives into the Kedushas Levi, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text, but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Kedushas Levi? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in, and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings, welcome to our channel. Every Thursday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the Holy Hasidic volume, Kedushas Levi. This week, for Parshas BeHaalosecha, the Kedushas Levi teaches a homily on the 12th chapter of Numbers, explaining how Moses was the trailblazer for all future prophets through giving the Torah, and how he was different than any other prophet in history. Let's watch.
All right, Baruch Habayim, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi. This week's Parshas BeHaalosecha. In the book of Numbers, chapter 12, verse 1, it says, V'daber Aaron and Miriam b'Moshe. And Aaron and Miriam spoke against Moses, and Miya neviachem Hashem b'mar elov, es v'adav b'mar v'lo v'chidos. And then it says, if thy prophet if there be a prophet among you, right? Hashem, O Lord, b'mara elav v'svada, I make myself known in a vision, I speak to him in a dream. And in verse 8, verse 7, my servant Moses not so, he's trusting all my house. In verse 8, he said, I speak to mouth to mouth. He has a clear vision, not in riddles. So says the Heiliger Kedushas Levi, Zechusig Lein Cheslemein, V'ishlahaven dahai Eloi loymar, miya neviach Hashem b'chidos elav izvada. Why does it say in this order? Why didn't it say that if there's a prophet among you, I speak to him with riddles? That's the difference between the prophecy of Moses and the other prophets, that God speaks to other prophets in riddles and he speaks to Moses directly. Near the Hina Yisrael Medrash v'Mechilta, side in the Midrash and the homilies and the Mechilta, anywhere where it's written in the Pentateuch and the Torah, and the Lord spoke to Moses and to Aaron, that the prophecy from the Lord went only to Moses, and Aaron received from Moses the prophecy. And the truth is, all the prophets really only received their prophecy through Moses. Meaning even after Moses passed away, but it was because of the Torah of Moses, the law of Moses, that all subsequent prophets received their prophecy. That's what's hinted to in the Talmud in Yevamos Mem Tesamud Beis, it's 49b in Yevamoth. Moshe Rabbe's Baklaria Meira, that Moses saw with a clear window, a clear vision, a clear mirror. Ki hu meir l'chol neviim. But why is it called a spaklaria? It means a mirror, that Moses was the mirror, that all the other prophets received their prophecy through him. That God shined unto Moses, and that reflection reflected onto all the subsequent prophets how to receive their prophecy. And that's why it says, if there be a prophet among you, I the Lord, to make him known in a vision, that through the prophecy of Moses I make known the prophecy to you. So we see really from here what it means that in Animamins, in our credo, in our the statements, the dogmas of our faith, that Moses was the greatest of all the prophets, and that he was of the Nevi'im, he was the father of all the prophets. That's how it's literally stated in liturgically, meaning to say that all the other prophets received their prophecy through the learning that they received from the prophecy of Moses. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later. All right, how do I turn this thing off?
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Tenemos,